Introducing our Rice Dispenser Set, a versatile and practical addition to your kitchen. Made with prime quality materials, this rice storage dispenser is built to last. We pay attention to every detail, ensuring that our rice storage box is not only functional but also elegant. Using our rice containers is a breeze. Simply open the lids, pour in your rice, and push the button. It's that easy. No more messy rice bags or accidental spillage. Our rice storage box is designed to make your life easier. With its larger capacity, this rice bin is not just limited to storing rice. You can also use it to store beans or other types of dry food. The sleek design and transparent window allow you to easily see the contents inside. To make your purchase even more worthwhile, we include extra bonus items with each rice tank. You'll receive a transparent measuring cup with water drain and a grain storage container's cleaner sponge. The cleaning sponge makes it easy to maintain your bins and ensure their longevity. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. That's why all of our legacy sales food storage buckets come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Shop with confidence knowing that we stand behind the quality of our products. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before making your purchase. In summary, our Rice Dispenser Set offers high quality, convenience, and airtight storage for your rice and other dry food items. Its larger capacity, easy-to-use design, and bonus items make it a must-have for any kitchen. Experience the difference with our rice storage dispenser today. Product information: ASIN B0B7WH3TAT. Customer reviews: 3.9 out of 5 stars, 62 ratings, best sellers rank. Number 417,208 in kitchen and dining. Number 8,030 in food container sets. Date first available: July 28, 2022.